in the open canoe category in the Elora Gorge here in lovely Elora, Ontario. Ben Wright. You'll notice Ben Wright's having a rather large banana, but he's cool with it. And that is Ben upside down in the water. He's all right, everybody. He's all right. This is Ben Wright's second attempt at the shoot. He looks very stable. Ben's an experienced paddler. He should be able to handle this. We don't know what happened the first round. He was expected to be the top seed in this event. There you can see he's just ever so gingerly coming across, heading into the chute, entering the chute. He does it with style. And again, Ben Wright is over. He's lost his paddle. And there he is, folks. As you can see, he's a fine champ. He's been beaten and battered and bruised so badly, but now he's going back for his third and final run. Ben Wright is not a quitter. The officials have given him one more chance to make it through the chute and show the world what he is made of. Just in case anybody's wanting to know, I did pick up my accent this evening on the way over here. Before this, I did talk quite normally, but as a television sportscaster, I figured I needed something to jazz the place up. Seeing that nobody can see me, well, we can fix that in 1 second. That would be me. We are here live at the September 5th Elora Gorge. How do I look? Anyways, take two. We are here at the Elora Gorge. Something that we said in the first couple of scenes. And we have ourselves Ben Wright. He's getting ready to do his third and final attempt at the world-famous Elora Gorge shoot right here in Elora, Ontario, Canada. This is a pan of the gorge. Oh, and probably because, you know, I've been drinking. This doesn't work very well. That is the chute. That is one massive amount of water. I like saying water with my new accent. It's quite fun. And up ahead, Ben Wright is getting ready for his third and final attempt. Here is Ben Wright making his entrance into the chute. He's setting up. You'll see him cross river. Now he's entering the chute. This is where he's had a few problems in the past. As you can see, Ben has made it through. He's made it over the rock. This caused him so much troubles in the past. And look at him go. And this is why he is known to this day to be the world champion of paddlers. That is one incredible paddle, my friends. Now you'll see Ben do a little duck and roll here. He's going to try his might, get off the shore, and have himself all the cheers and rewards that he deserves for such a great run. These shakes are brought to you by me, your announcer, James Rising.
Here's Jamie. Using the ferry. Maybe he's a bit of a ferry. Maybe. Alright, into the current. Here we go. Shooting across. See out. Woo! What a ferry! What a ferry! You gonna shoot for that? You gonna shoot for that? Nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can put it, if you shoot it, you can put it in and paddle into it. Quick turnaround. Paddles it through. Big wave.